from you, Lord, you just put it together para just to make a good memory for Kyla. And just to let her know, Lord, sa kanya, especially Lord, her Lord. Lord, thank you for everything. Please bless our time together. Lord, I pray for so much blessing for Kyla and for her family. Lord, I pray that you will give Kyla, Lord, the success in her studies, Lord, at sa kanyang paglaki, Lord, sa kanyang mga pagpupuning career, Lord, sa kanyang mas kanyang magiging future partner, Lord. We pray for her. Lord, may you open your heaven and pour out your blessing on Kyla today and all the days of her life. Thank you so much, Lord, for the teachers, Lord, and the love of Kyla, Lord, Lord, talagang gusto i-express, Lord, kung mahal kay Kyla, and trusting, Lord, mas ipag-cooperate, Lord, just to make it special,